Okay, so with respect to those asking how to kind of navigate the discussion forum, that's why I'm doing this video. You can see from the forum, you can click on resources. So once you click on resources, or you can use either open with AI or open anyone you like. So, but for now, I'll be using this because some of our users are not currently subscribing, though you are missing out. Sincerely, you're missing out. So, uh, let me remove it from desktop side. So, naturally, you see your screen like this. You can log in. Once you log in, it takes you here as your home page. So, the first thing you need to do is click this hamburger sign on the upper part. This hamburger sign on the upper part. Click my courses, and you see a list of all your courses that's been registered. So I'll be doing, okay, let me start from the one that I've not done any discussion forum, so that it will be easier to understand. So computer architecture. So I've not done anything on this course at all, so you can see it's on 0%. Where do I see the 0%? Let's just leave it. There is a small button on this edge. If you can see, there is a small button on that edge, and you can use it to navigate all your everything about that course. A small button on the edge. So, but for uh for those who still can't see that, you have meet your facilitator. This one is supposed to show the picture of a facilitator and all their details, whatever. Introduction, this is just the plan and everything. The live class, you can see a button live class. You can click live class here, and there is live class. There is also link to the link. You can find the link to the Zoom there. You can also find this one takes you directly to the Zoom. So the Zoom link, and you can also find the recordings, previous recordings of those courses. You don't have to always be online. Every facilitation are being recorded. So if you okay, for the sake of those who need help with it, you can see that taking me to Zoom. I have the see on 1st of October and 17th of September. That is when the course um that is the plan for the course. That's upcoming meetings, and I have cloud recordings here. You can see, wow, Jesus, they've they've actually had several classes. I think I will have to go through them one after the other later. So I can just go back. I don't need this presently. That's how you can watch. You can okay, let me go back. Let's make it easier. So cloud recordings, when for this particular day they did two recordings. Okay, you can see this is the recording. Once you click, it would load the video and you can watch later. But presently I don't need to do that. That's just to join live classes or pre-recorded sessions. So cancel. So for virtual library, I have a library just like your conventional school where you have physical library. So but this is a virtual library. So week one now, look at course resources. You are a system analyst and a blah 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 blah. You can see this facilitator actually dropped a video as part of his introduction for the week, and also learning outcomes also dropped. Discussion forums. Now, discussion forum are categorized based on your location. For people in the north, you can access North Central or whatever north where you've been selected. So, but for people in the south, you can see it's locked because I don't belong to North Central. I belong to Southwest. So look at, you can see Southwest is unlocked. There is no lock on Southwest, but for every other ones there is lock. I don't belong to them. But so you can see for this, so sorry for my so you can live class for that week and so on and so forth. So for every week there is also instructional videos, and those videos are something like the one the facilitator dropped earlier, where a pre-recorded video of only him or any other video he wants us to watch, not live class, just part of what he can use to learn. So once again, discussion forum are categorized based on your location. So you will not see everything open. You just need one within a week. Discussion forum one, for me, it is southwest rather. So when I click, you can see this is the question he asked. You are this and this, explain this. That is what. Hey, so this is the question I have to answer, and all I do need to do is reply. I type my reply and I post to forum. I can't do this right now because my head is full and we don't have the time for me to be writing all this. So don't forget, the question will be posted, discussion forum 1. The question will be posted just like this, and you have to reply. Post your whatever, and post to forum. I can't post this to forum, so cancel because of that. Once you do, it will mark this as post reply done, not only view. Post reply done. That is what you see. If you don't see post reply done, then do it again, reply again, but make sure you post a reply, or else your next discussion forum would not be open. So after you have done that discussion forum, you can just go back. You can decide to go back. You can see I'm back here, but by now, if I had done, it would have marked it as done automatically. It would have marked it as done. That's marked, but because I did not do it, so now if you click here, you will see that you can see it is easy. Discussion forum for one, south is the only one that is unlocked. That means that is one I have to answer. So if you look at all these ones, they are locked, and the reason is I have not contributed to this. Once I contribute to this would be unlocked. If you don't contribute to the one preceding it, it would not be unlocked. So the structure is that discussion forum 1, discussion forum 2 must be done. That's, you do 1, then you do 2 before you can do TMA 1. So after you finish TMA 1, discussion forum 3 would unlock. You will do 3, you do 4, then you have TMA 2 will be unlocked. After that, after doing 2, and now others will be unlocked. Others will be unlocked week 4, week 5, like that. Week 7, discussion forum 7. Also, you have course feedback. You have to do course feedback, and I think revision, yes, which is the 7. You have to do course feedback too before 3 will be unlocked. So that's the structure. You have to do one before the other, but to do one, you need to go to that week, select the week 1 first, answer the question, look at the question, look at everything. You can go through them one after the other. You can see announcements. You can click them to open. Well, because I don't have that luxury of time to be opening each and every one of them. That's why. So I select this. You can see the material. I can open it. Learning outcome, I can open it. It is not just for view. It is not just for view only. So what you need to do is select what you want to do and do it. But the structure remains discussion forum 1, discussion forum 2. Each one unlocks the other. Discussion forum 2, TMA 1, discussion forum 3, discussion forum 4, TMA 2, discussion forum 5, 6, probably 7 if it is that's revision, and course feedback. Then you can do TMA 3. So thank you for your time, and I think I've been able to do justice to whatever you have here. You have feedback, course feedback. This is where you take a feedback, you select the course feedback, and you answer. So is there any other thing? You can also check your grades. I've not done any TMA. You can see, you can check it. Always, one other thing you should keep notes in now. Always make sure you save this page as a PDF, or better still, screenshot, making sure that zoom out or zoom in, or use a system to screenshot the course code and your score. Always keep record of your score. It is useful for you to know if there's an issue with your exam. So you can do this. Switch to desktop site. You can see everything comes together in a page, and you can see the course this thing, and also make sure, okay, your name is showing somewhere here. So 1 2 3, screenshot this page so that you have a copy of your TMA result after you've done, or else bro, you might need it someday and you won't be able to get it, because once the semester closes, they take all the courses you've done away from your e-learn until you register a new one. So thank you for your time. Do enjoy the rest of your day.